June 29, 2017, 9:15 a.m. 127 uniform Mellow, padlock renovation. Back door screen mesh. It's coming out. Repair, replace. Large trash out. Couch, chairs, box springs, TVs, tables, lamps, pictures, clothes, etc. Unit will need to be painted fully throughout. And soft tin. Stains in the carpets throughout. I recommend replacement. Any bulbs that are blown. Small hole in the wall needs to be repaired. Stove is missing. Stains in the kitchen and room that may not come out. Needs to be checked out. Front door was kicked in. Door frame was busted. Needs to be repaired or replaced. Stove handle, refrigerator handle is missing. Needs to be replaced. Lower section of the ceiling is cracked and it's coming down. Needs to be repaired and painted. Missing smoke detector. More stains in the carpet. Broken blinds. And clothes for trash out. Medium-sized hole in the wall. Needs to be repaired. Another small hole in the wall. Crack in the window ledge. Needs to be repaired. Crack in the bathroom door. Needs repaired or replaced. Missing sink stocking. Toilet seats loose. Toilet paper holders loose. Recall bathtub. In the toilet. Cracks in the bedroom door. Repair or replace. That's about it.